Hi, it's Marco, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to view iCloud photos on iPhone. So before I show you that, please subscribe to my channel, it helps me out a lot. So go to your browser and type in iCloud.com. So basically I am already logged in, so let me just sign out for a second. So this is what you will get. Then click on sign in. From there, you want to click on continue or use a different Apple ID, and then you are going to get logged in. Just give it a second and you can see all of your photos right over here. But if you want that to be synced with your iPhone, you need to go to settings. Then you want to go to settings, click on your name, click on iCloud, click on photos and make sure that sync this iPhone is turned on. And that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.